The Khasi Students' Union Shillong Mihngi Circle on Monday locked an allegedly illegal temple under construction within the premises of the Central Bureau of Investigation Office after talks with senior officials failed to yield any breakthrough. The KSU delegation, led by Central Executive Council Assistant Organizing Secretary Jeremiah Potami, met the Deputy Inspector General of the CBI to press for immediate action against the construction which the union alleged was being carried out in violation of norms inside the government office. Sources said the meeting witnessed heated arguments between KSU representatives and CBI officials, with both sides remaining firm on their respective positions. Following the inconclusive discussions, KSU members proceeded to lock the temple as a mark of protest. Speaking to the media, Jeremiah Potami alleged that the KSU Shillong Mihngi Circle had previously raised the issue with senior CBI officials who had assured the organization that no further construction of the temple would be permitted within the office premises. However, the union claimed it recently received credible information that the construction activities had resumed. A subsequent spot verification by KSU leaders allegedly revealed that the structure was nearing completion. Terming the construction as illegal, the KSU sealed the temple and issued a one-week ultimatum to the authorities concerned to demolish or remove the structure from the government office premises. The union further warned that failure to act within the stipulated deadline would compel it to launch a more intensified agitation and resort to stronger democratic forms of protest over the issue.
You cannot lock here. We will break it again. Then we will break it. Yes, please. Please, please. I am not doing anything. No, nothing. Nothing. What is this? What is this? No. Yeah, I am saying nothing will be constructed further. We will not construct anything further. I am saying that.
Hilawan asin tong hila sutu. Menta bapi pesungau kata ngi lamun benlek kumui pila pesung tak. Menta pinang kang talang ni tak kamu. Bapi menta pin justify.
We will not construct
pin justify kani kamde kata kapan kimut.
We have to.
Kani fiang secularism yung pi. Company dari secularism.
I am saying that.
First you stop. You give us a written you that this will stop, then only we'll open the lock. We need it in written. You first stop this construction, and then only. This does not look like a place like a.
We came. You have given this for 2 labels.
That is why though.
Then wait for our.
Dapat yung pinantay, kata-kata saka ay people sa kulit dapat any law na dahil dapat mapiha po lada pinya yang kata saka begitu bahasa senta begitu ayat ini along yang sisa kong kata senta ya kapan pau kaniam jong nur jong ni kwa banse kaniam jong ruang ni dei tu kapan isya itu sini tu kamandir nanti nimsya dah lele revenue dan gila yang kani kamdi ka first time kani ding second time ila 1cc ila assuring piwanam dana ka Shillong ni sakil ila KSU ila 1cc to assure bakin kan beli pada mah hadir pada bagi isna yang pada
Betul. Dalam letak saya dari trending itu cuma saya.
Sudah ibu dong kang. Oh, sangat baik.
Ada Kim Kang.
Ini minum pilihan.
Ada Kim Kang pada ya. Ada Kim Kang, ada Kim stop, Kim scrap ya ketika ibu bagi senang ting. Kaseng kan cium daki way pada kisenja.
Ini nak lihat kaseng. Kasih dan suami sekal hak ni ka office dengan cigai kalau aku kemat ba kaparim ba di stop ya ka way ka yang mana? Buat nak lihat kaseng ini kisah mak nilawan buat nilayakan bagi besar badan dia buat nilai accident sini ba kin persengit no ya kicik jong ka yang mana dia buat mentah buat hadian tak tu kan dia benar ngi ba lah sedang menyetai biang kita stop yang mentari sa 50% sa mandap yang dia tempel nak lihat kejong ni ngawan kedua jauh dia aji melaikan buat lighter layakan buat kajikan buat menong kablong apa siswa amar beli kamu ngek buat kubur ya ke ba kaseng ke bala kaseng ke kala ajimut but nak liam kaseng menta ya lek bat ya khang tala ya tiga yang manin tie but isi pat pa ke ban right ni officer ni bar ki ong yi ba kin ai kita assurance in return ba kin persengat no ya ka construction ke bala ke bagi latri jadi nak liam kaseng menta ngirang ya persengat swa but lai khang tala but dan i bat lai bateri tai but mai jakir ngila ba hisindan ma bakin dan jata ki slide ba piang but nak liam kaseng ni up ya kata siki ke bagi yuk ba ka CI kan ai ni bat hak tai ngun cik pat ada laka menjur ya ka jira wajib seng karena akhirnya ni ni terlatih bat ada kebor ya ke jira wajib ni masih dengan ini bat supaya poru ka ni bandar yang sempat ni sempat aku senjam mari lai por ki stio ba ki scrap no ya ketika yang merienti jika menyebelah bat ada kan di department kamlai ai masih ingin nak sing apan fisin bat jadi man si kerumban su begini kan ingin ban baik takal bor baik ban betul scrap no ya ketika yang merienti